welcome back. And now look at the other events in the state.
Women of Talde Sakoda have initiated a drinking water scheme in coordination with Mineral Foundation of Goa. Women from self-help groups and other organizations have taken the initiative to provide drinking water to the village. The aim is to save wastage of water.
Mention केल्लें की 37% उदक जे आसा ट्रिटेड वॉटर जे आसा तें वेस्ट जाता. आमकां अशें दिसता की जर गांवांनी ज्या जाग्यार शक्य आसा त्या जाग्यार जर अशी जर डिसेंट्रलायज स्कीम करीत आनी लोकांच्या हातीन दित जाल्यार उदकाचो बऱ्यापैकी तो वापर लोक अशें करतले अशें आमकां दिसता. म्हणून हो एक आमचो प्रयास आहा की ही डिसेंट्रलायज स्कीम हे लोकांनी आतां फुडें चलोवप. आमी ही स्कीम आजून कोणाक गव्हर्मेंट डिपार्टमेंटा कडेन किंवा पंचायती कडेन सपोर्ट केल्ली ना. ही डायरेक्ट आमी हे सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुपा कडेन सपोर्ट केल्ली आसा.
Seza Mahila Hitvardhini, in coordination with Center for Development Planning and Research Pune, organized a cooking competition to motivate women and to provide them a platform for a better future.
Important कितें तर तांकां मोटिवेट करून फुडें हाडपाक जाय. तांकां करपाची इच्छा आसा ती बरी करतात, पण तांकां प्लॅटफॉर्म दिवन करपाचें काम जें आसा तें कंपनीन केल्लें आसा.
Savodem MLA Ganesh Gaonkar inaugurated classrooms for the Sakodem Education Society School. Zilla Panchayat members, Sarpanch and others were present for the inaugural. Mineral Foundation of Goa organized a nature orientation camp for North and South Goa schools. The camp focuses on educating children on practical knowledge on environment.
Activity based सगळे नॉलेज आसता. खंयचें नॉलेज फक्त लेक्चरान न्हू तर वेगवेगळ्या प्रॅक्टिकलान डुईंग लर्निंग एज डुईंग असो कन्सेप्टा प्रमाणे जे कितें एक्टिविटीज आसा ते करून शिकपाचे अशा प्रकारचे सगळे शेड्यूल आसता. ते शिकला हे प्रेजेंट करपाचे चान्स मेळटा.
Bureau Report Prudent.
Now news from sports. Former GFA Secretary Savio Messias has been appointed Vice Chairman of AIFF's Technical Coaching and Development Committee. Improving the coaching network and coming up with youth development programs is the immediate priority for Messias. He also feels that the GFA, GFDC and AIFF have to work in harmony for development of football in Goa. Our Vasco reporter Surendra Madkaikar caught up with Savio.
Just been appointed into a committee which has got some very, which also consists of some very eminent people. We have Baichung Bhutia, who is going to be the chairman of the committee, as well as Henry Menezes, the CEO of Western India Football Association, as well as Parminder Singh, who was an international football player. So overall, we have a good team, and we need to sit down and discuss across the table the various our development plans. First of all, I would like to improve on the coaching aspect. In our country, we have just a very small amount of coaches, licensed coaches. We need to increase that. We need to have a lot more coaches in the country. We also need to ensure that other states in Goa, in the country, have a youth program. Only Goa is one of the few states having a developed youth program. But we need to work on this type of program in other states. So these are two of my immediate objectives.
Any special target set for the Goa?
Well, in Goa also we need to revive some of the programs. I think maybe in Goa, the GFDC, the GFA and AIFF, if we three work together, I think we can do a lot of wonders.
Oxford Marine have won the All Goa 2020 tournament organised by Sangay cricketers at Kursare ground. In the finals on Sunday, Oxford defeated Goa Police by 30 runs. This was the 12th edition of the tournament.
Oxford Marine batted first and scored 167 runs for the loss of 8 wickets. Damodar Redkar was the top scorer with 56 runs, while upcoming Goa all-rounder Darshan Misal made 44 runs. Vinod Wilson took 3 wickets for Goa Police. In reply, Goa Police were restricted to 137 runs. Vittal Naik made 36 runs while Chandrakant Ghadi scored 29 runs.
match. And जीत रहे हैं सिल्वर ट्रॉफी को दी जाएगी आप सभी से धन्यवाद. Thank you.
Damodar Redkar was named man of the match. Vittal Naik was adjudged best batsman. Edison Gonsalves was named best bowler. Krishna Volvekar bagged the man of the series prize. A reporter from Kudsade, Mayur Naik.
If you've missed our bulletin, log on to prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter @PrudentGoa or meet us on Facebook at facebook.com/PrudentMedia. With this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. You're watching Prudent.